Hello viewers, thank you so very much for tuning in. This is Shivangsh from Sync with the Universe. I welcome you all to my channel, Sync with the Universe. And I have been just divinely guided to do a quick 10-minute reading for the mass, for the collective, to get an urgent update about the current planetary alignments that we are going to have. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, is the full moon, and we are having a paradigm. We are going through a paradigm shift right now, huge cosmic changes, planetary changes, alignments, that those are happening, and we are going to experience a lot of energy shift. Okay, and that's the reason I have been divinely asked to do a quick reading, and in order to bring a message from the universe to guide this reading, please universe, I call upon you to please guide us what you want us to know. Let's see what kind of energies universe is bringing for us. Okay, with this new full moon, that we have that full moon coming up on September the 2nd. All right, Fool. Right off the bat, what I see is that we are going to take leap of faith. That means something big has come to an end in our life. We with that Fool card, we have paid all our karmic debts, and we are ready to take that leap of faith into this unknown territory with that new with that full moon. And I don't know why I'm every time coming up by saying that new moon. What I feel is that you will be embodying this energy from this full moon to the next new moon. Okay, so what I see is that you we are going to have this energy of a fool during this time. All right, during this time, and we are going to take that leap of faith and believe in the divine, and just go charge ahead. The collective that I'm connecting to right now, I strongly feeling and connecting to those 144,000 light workers, star seeds, twin flames, spiritual partners, soulmates. Okay, I'm strongly feeling that connection with the the 144,000 chosen one, united with the universal energy, and following the divine in its divine form. And it could not have been better than this card, right? Fool being the first card from tarot. In tarot, Fool represents Aries, right? And Aries is the first house. That means something new is awaiting us. Okay, so 144,000 light workers, star seeds, chosen one. This is a huge message from the universe that you are almost there with this full moon till the new moon. The kind of energy that you are going to see is going to rewrite your destiny, and this is going to be taken off your back. This pain, intense heartache energies that you really have put in for so long, in your soul evolution, while we were going through this huge shift in the timeline, right? With this galactic changes, with the planetary alignments in the last 3-4 years, the kind of energies that we have dealt with is mostly this kind of an energy. And universe is saying, my dear beautiful child, you have nothing to worry. You are coming out of this energy, and you are taking this energy in your in your energy. Okay, you are taking embodying this energy. No more tears, no more pain. Your ships are coming out. Your ships are coming out. Two of Wands. Whatever you have been waiting on, you made that decision, and now you have left everything out to the universe, and universe is saying that, my dear beautiful child, my dear beautiful people, the servants of God, God's people, right? You know, who really have put in their service for the mankind the way universe wanted us to do, you know, for which we have really shed our old skin through this hard soul lessons, the dark night of the soul journey that we have gone through. We have already made our choices, the right decisions, the right choices has been made by us through those life lessons that we have learned, and universe is saying that we are on the right path. We have made the right choices, and now we are just seeing in the horizon. Our ships are coming in, all right, because we have let everything unto the divine to take us as his servant, right, as his ministers, as his counselors, right? We are here for his work. We are here to bring life to the dead, right? So we need to know, we really have understood this journey through this dark night of the soul, and everything is in order and everything is in place, all right? And universe is asking us to keep vibing in that energy. Here I see 6 of Cups. Whatever was lost from you in the past is returning back to you, all right? Returning back to you, okay? Whatever was lost. And this is going to bring new passion, creativity, drive, you know, that intense energy, but in a positive way, okay? Not that intense energy that you have been dealing with for so long. So my dear beautiful 144,000 light workers, star seeds, you know, every one of us need to keep vibing in this energy, believe in the divine, that universe has our back and we are on the right path, and whatever we have lost in the past is coming back to us in a very beautiful way, much better than it was expected, okay? So good things are coming, all right? 2 of Cups, beautiful, beautiful. I really want you to see these cards, so I'll just pull this my camera a bit here so that you can see these cards. So 2 of Cups, returning, love returning. If you have lost somebody from your life without a closure, then you can expect love coming into your life. Wonderful. Queen of Cups, pay attention to your intuitions. You are going to get that love, much awaited love, you know. I feel like I'm mostly connecting to the twin flames, you know. If you are in separation, then universe is telling you that there is nothing to fear, my child. Your love interest is coming back, okay? Your love interest is coming back. What a wonderful validation. Look at this. This is what I call a beautiful reading, you know. Beautiful reading, all right? You are going to take to a new world altogether. A new earth has been created by the divine. Just open your arms to receive, because whatever you have given out to the universe throughout this time, during your soul evolution journey, through that dark night of the soul journey, to know who you truly are, coming into the divine power of yours, recognizing your worth, you know, working through your crafts, shedding those old skin, coming out to be that divine light within you, seeing that light within you, coming out to this energy. Universe is very happy and it's bringing those divine gifts, okay? Know that. Admit the truth to yourself and act accordingly. I appreciate your support in helping me face my feelings with grace and acceptance so that I can be lovingly honest with myself and others. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for giving me courage and strength. Beautiful. Archangel Michael is coming with this validation that it's time now to accept that you are no ordinary human being, my dear beautiful. 144,000 light workers, star seeds, twin flames, the galactic beings from all the sphere of galactic world, we all know the energy that we are experiencing right now. It's so divine, and sometimes it's not that easy to accept. After seeing our truth, it's not that easy to accept that, okay, we are here for this, we see our life purpose, and then we go through those doubts, right? Whether people are going to understand us or not, people are going to recognize for us or not for whatever we are doing. But honestly speaking, my dear beautiful light beings, you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about anything. All right, you don't have to worry about what others are going to think. Now you need to be more concerned about how we are going to please the divine, how we are going to please the universe, how we are going to please him through our good work that we have learned all through this time, right? And I call upon our guardian angel to summon this reading, and it says, there's nothing to worry about. You are safe, and this situation is under the perfect control of divine providence and universal order. Only infuse loving thoughts and emotions into the situation to ensure that the highest possible outcome flows effortlessly to and through you. Beautiful to summon this reading that Archangel Michael and our spirit guide is saying there is nothing to worry. All we need to do is know our power, come into our power, be assertive, while we approach any situation, stick by our truth, our truth. That does not mean that is somebody's lie. Everybody sees world with a different eye, right? The way I see, you may not see this, or maybe rest of the 144,000, they don't see it. Everybody sees the world in a different way, and everybody is doing their work through their kind of knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. So we need to respect each and every individual, because we as a light being, we see divine in everyone, right? We see the divine light in everyone, and God is asking us to keep charging ahead, happy with the choices that we have made. If it is about love, if we are waiting for some love interest to come back to our life, especially for the twin flames and the soulmates in separation, God is saying, universe is saying, the love of your life is coming back with the Two of Cups. And universe is saying that pay attention to your intuition. You have all the knowledge and wisdom within you. Just listen to your gut feelings, listen to your intuition, keep doing meditation, introspection, contemplation, and when you come out with certain creative ideas, keep implementing that. And there is nothing to worry about. What you feel or see around something that is not happening right, then universe is telling you, my dear beautiful child, there is nothing to worry about. You please go ahead and let other know what is ethical, and what is unethical, okay? Because God has not created anything right or wrong. Either God has created something intertwined, all right, or it is either righteousness or falsity, right? It is either ethics or unethics. So God is asking us to see things from an ethical standpoint, and take necessary actions as we charge ahead. Keep vibing in that full energy, and divine has our back. Universe has our back, okay? So God is asking us to rely into the universe, into the divine, and keep doing what we have been doing so long, all right? Divine is asking us to keep vibing in that positive energy, the higher frequency, okay? Keep vibing in that energy, all right? And when you keep doing meditation, healing exercises, Reiki, and all this, that's when you will keep getting more and more access to the other world, the different realm, the 5th dimension, the 13th dimension, the 24th dimension. You can get access to the Akashic record, okay? And you will keep coming into that more into your power. And there will be a time that you will be a superhuman. Know that. We 144,000 are superhuman, okay? Please know your power. So, my beautiful divine soul family, I thank you so very much for tuning into this channel. This is a huge, massive